Cinco and Tamil New Year is coming up, and I'm especially excited for the holiday because it is a time when two of the country's major ethnicities, despite some differences, come together to celebrate the same holiday at the same time. Because of this, I asked one of my colleagues, Arti, to teach me how to make Kesari, a sweet treat enjoyed by the Tamil community and others on the New Year. Inia Putandu Valtupa. To prepare the Kesari, we need half a cup of semolina, 1½ cups of fresh milk, 3/4 of 1 cup of sugar, 1½ cups of water, 1/4 cup of ghee, half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, 100 grams of cashews for garnish, and the special ingredient, Kesari powder. A pinch will be sufficient. First, roast the semolina until it turns off-white and set it aside. Then, boil the fresh milk in a saucepan on mid-fire. Add the sugar and keep stirring. Then, add the Kesari powder, and look how the color changes to a pretty peach. Next, add the cardamom powder. Now slowly add the roasted semolina and keep stirring. When you see the mixture curdling, add the ghee. Grease the plate onto which you will be transferring the cooked Kesari. And that's how you make Kesari.